Good morning. Please come in and take a seat. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I am not feeling very well. Actually, I feel terrible.
I am sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what the problem is? What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a really bad headache. It hurts right here behind my eyes, and I also have a sore throat.
I see. When did these symptoms start? Did you wake up with them today?
No, it started 2 days ago. At first, it was just a little cough, but now my throat hurts when I swallow food or water.
Okay. Do you have a fever? Do you feel hot or cold?
Yes, I think so. Last night, I felt very cold and I was shaking, but this morning, I feel very hot and sweaty.
All right. Let me check your temperature first. Please hold still for a moment while I use this thermometer.
Okay, doctor. What does it say? Is it high?
Yes, it is a little high. It is 39 degrees. You definitely have a fever. Now I need to listen to your chest. Please take a deep breath in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Like that? Perfect. Do it one more time for me. Deep breath in and out. Good. Your lungs sound clear, so that is good news. It does not sound like a chest infection.
That is a relief, but my whole body aches. My arms and legs feel very heavy and tired. Is that normal?
Yes, that is very normal with the flu. Your body is fighting a virus, so it uses a lot of energy. Tell me about your appetite. Are you eating normally?
Not really. I do not feel hungry at all. I only ate a piece of toast this morning. The thought of food makes me feel a bit sick.
It is important to try to eat something small to keep your energy up. But more importantly, you must drink a lot of water. Are you drinking enough fluids?
I am trying to drink water, but my throat hurts so much. It is difficult to swallow.
I understand, but hydration is essential when you have a fever. Try drinking warm tea with honey and lemon. It will help your throat feel better.
That sounds like a good idea. Do I need antibiotics?
No, antibiotics are for bacterial infections. You have a viral infection, probably the seasonal flu. Antibiotics will not help you. You just need to rest and let your body recover.
So I just have to wait? How long will this last? I have to go back to work on Monday.
You should not go to work on Monday. You need to stay at home and rest for at least 3 more days. If you go to work, you will make other people sick too.
Oh no, my boss will not be happy, but I understand. I really do not feel strong enough to work anyway.
Exactly. Sleep is the best medicine right now. I will prescribe you some medicine for the pain and fever.
Thank you. What kind of medicine is it?
It is just a strong painkiller to help with the headache and the body aches. Take 1 tablet every 4 hours. Also, I recommend buying some throat lozenges from the pharmacy. They will help with the soreness when you swallow.
Okay, I will go to the pharmacy on my way home. Should I take the medicine with food?
Yes, please take it after a meal or a small snack so it does not upset your stomach. Do you have any allergies to any medication?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Great. Here is your prescription. Please drink plenty of water, stay in bed, and do not look at screens too much if your head hurts.
Okay, doctor. I will just sleep and listen to the radio. No phone and no computer.
That sounds like a perfect plan. If you do not feel better in 3 days, or if your fever gets higher, please come back and see me again.
I will. Thank you for your help, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself and get well soon.